The flag of construction of this road today, obviously, is very, very important to the people of Ugbolu and even Okpanam. The people say this is going to change the entire configuration of their economic life.
The Ugbolu-Okpanam road is a vital link road that underscores this administration's effort to build resilient and sustainable infrastructure that will improve the living conditions of our people.
A good term deserves another. I mean, we can't ask for a better governor than what we have today. He's really indeed the more governor for the people of Delta State. So with what we have seen in this first 2 years of His Excellency, we are going to ask for him to come back for the next 4 years again.